Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are putting some white stuff in a bowl. Getting ready to do some hair. Putting a little bit of shampoo in there, mixing it up, trying to make sure we get the right consistency, and then we're gonna throw a little Kool-Aid in there. What the Kool-Aid does is it gives you a little bit of that a flavor, then bam, a second thing of Kool-Aid in the hair mix. Not sure exactly where this is going, but we're gonna go with it. Starting like that color look like some hot flaming Cheetos mix or something, but that's the color we're going for, so we're just gonna roll with it. Then after that, we're gonna put a little bit more of that conditioner in there, mix it all up, make sure we get the right consistency that we looking for, and now we're gonna throw it in the hair. Oh, yeah, just work it all in there, get it in there, comb it out, make sure you covering all the hair, mix it all up, make sure you cover all of it too, just get it all in there. So working on the other side, working it in, making sure we get all of it covered with this Kool-Aid paste. And then we gonna move to the academy bag. Got to have the academy bag. Got to have it.